Hi friends, I'm going to be reading a book to you called Seasons. Seasons. Spring. In spring, I play in the rain. Can you see? Like there's rain, and they're wearing a raincoat, and there's a rain cloud with some birds out. Summer. In summer, I play in the sun. Summer, it's sunny, the bees are out, we can go to the beach because it's hot. Fall. In fall, I play in the leaves. Look, the leaves are a different color. They're yellows, browns, orange, and they're coming down from the tree. They fall down from the tree. Winter. In winter, I play in the snow. Look, there's snowflakes. He's going down the hill on a sled. Snow and winter. Ooh, we have spring, summer, fall, winter. I love all 4 seasons. Let's count how many seasons. 1, 2, 3, 4. The end. Thanks so much for listening. I hope you liked it.